just know that your little brown ass may potentially be in it. Hey, don't move the shit. I don't want all your hours in there. All right. Let's see. I want to get a good view of that bitch. Ah, I like that one, bro. This is what happens whenever you get Mexicans at the flea market right here. All right. Let's go through your shit, bro. Let's see what shit you got up in here. Damn, nigga. How much does this shit cost right here? Bro, how much does this cost? Damn. Something light for someone like him. Looks like mine, too. Disorganized. All right, let's go to the next one. Let's see what these motherfuckers got. All right. Damn, that one's nice. Oh, I was like, who the fuck is talking? I was like, what the hell? All right. Which one is your favorite drawer, bro?
The very bottom one on that side.
All right, okay, we'll start on this side, though. Save the best for last. Real full on that one. God damn. I got about 2 of these drawers. Bitch. Oh, I didn't land good. Oh, almost fucking fell. What's up, video? You need something? What did you do, bro? I'm making a video of everyone else's tools. Ow. This motherfucker. I got like 2 or 3 drawers like that too. Damn, fool, you need to put something in all those. Damn. Alright. That's your favorite drawer, this motherfucker right here. I want to go through this one again. I feel like this is probably the best one right here. This one looks badass. Do you know what box this is? Snap-on Classic Series, some shit like that. I think so, right? Definitely cannot forget the Tajín. I come over here and steal this every single day if I can. Chest for whenever you're bored. Just your mom.